channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Jake. So, without further ado, this morning you are joining me for breakfast. And on the menu, we made a traditional Jamaican breakfast without one ingredient. And if you know what that ingredient is, comment down below. On the menu, we have Did you figure it out? Okay. All right, hold on. All right. Hold on. And we have some saltfish, guys. Just gonna add a little bit of gravy, not a lot, because you guys know I love my gravy. So I'm gonna add enough. One more, one more, one more. All right. Now I haven't said grace yet, so I'm gonna say grace now. Lord, my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters to restore my soul. Amen. Okay, guys. Now, let me get a bit of everything for you. And this time, you could see the tomato. Remember the last video I just told you I ate a tomato? You could see it this time. Mm. Mm. I hope you guys had a wonderful week and maybe have some good plans for the holiday weekend. My first good plan for the holiday weekend was this breakfast. I called Babe yesterday when I was leaving work. I was like, do you feel like having saltfish and banana for breakfast? And Babe was like, yeah, we haven't had that in a while. And truth be told, we haven't had it in a while. It's been, how long has it been?
Couple months.
It's been a couple of months. But I'm happy we made it. So you guys know I can't eat without drinking. And half the time, I'm gonna be honest, Babe is the one who's forcing me not to drink while I'm eating because she says it's bad. But forgive me, I am not built like Babe. Listen, this girl could eat a whole sandwich. I mean, dry bread and all. No juice, no water, no nothing. Mm-mm. 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 Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I promise no one that I will do that. Ever. No. Not saying that I haven't attempted it, right? I have. But here's the difference. With a food like this, that has sauce, that has gravy and all of the good stuff, I could go for a while. It's raining. It rains here, not to cut from the conversation, but okay, I'm gonna go back to that. But with the sandwich, mm-mm. As soon as I take the first bite, I have to drink something. Have to. It's not a question. Or I feel like I'm choking to death. It's just a thing. It's raining so hard outside. And when I realized we're not too far from where we used to live, right? But it rains here more than it rains there. It is so weird. Florida is weird. Fun facts, right? Did you guys know? Okay, it's probably going to be a dead giveaway if I even say it. But name one state that has two separate time zones. We'll give you guys some time to think about that one. While you're thinking, if you figured it out, comment down below. I know I may have given it away a little bit. May have. Babe, you want some more saltfish? Yes, please. That's good. Thank you, babe. So, did you guys figure it out yet? Okay, since you have, I'll just reveal it. Florida. Yeah, it's Florida. Florida has two separate time zones, just in case you guys didn't know. It's a fun fact that I've learned over the years. And definitely, I'm not gonna say creep, but it definitely surprised me. It was interesting. Only because then it makes sense for people to consider Florida a country all by itself, technically. I mean, it's just one of the weirdest things. It's my last banana, guys. It was really, really good. I'm happy we made this for breakfast this morning. And did you figure out what the one ingredient that was missing? Have you commented that down below? I'll tell you guys at the end if you haven't figured it out. As I said, I can't really go that long without drinking something, so. Babe and I finally went and bought us a few mugs. Okay? We're getting there. We're getting there slowly. And on the menu for juice today, we are having Tropicana orange juice, no pulp. The original. Not too much, just enough. Okay. Whew. Now that hit the spot. All right. We finished breakfast. Just in case you guys were wondering where we got the mug, this was from the good old Dollar Tree. You might be surprised, but it is. And technically, I still can't understand why they went from $1 to $1.25. I still don't get that part. I understand inflation and things, the price of stuff is going up and all that good stuff. But it's 25 cents more. Okay, this is my last bite. That breakfast was definitely delicious. I enjoyed every bite. No complaints. I do understand why Babe says not to drink while you're eating because it does kind of full you a lot quicker than expected. But as I said, I can't go without drinking. I do want to thank you guys for joining me for breakfast. It was delicious and it was our traditional Jamaican breakfast. And I hope you guys had a good breakfast, are going to have a good breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed a wonderful, wonderful holiday weekend. And hopefully it's not raining where you guys are. Hopefully, because Florida is, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with Florida. Okay. So thank you guys for joining me. I'm just gonna... I hope you guys don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel for what's to come. I am not too certain. Babe has a lot of surprises for me, you know. Yeah. So we look forward to that, and always appreciate you guys for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy everything, and until we meet again,